Good morning, students. Our next topic is rotation of axis. That means change of directions of axis. That meaning is rotating the system of coordinate axis through an angle theta without changing the position of origin is called the rotation of axis. So, based on this one, when the axes are rotated through an angle theta in anti-clockwise direction, the equations of transformations are given by. That means the equations of transformation are given by means if you want to find out new coordinates or original coordinates, we just use these formulas. Okay, that means if you want to find out original coordinates according to new coordinates, original coordinates of any point B, let us consider some small x comma y, and new coordinates be some capital X comma y, and here theta is the angle for which the axis rotated. Okay, so then small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. And if you want to find out new coordinates, so capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus small y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to minus small x sin theta plus small y cos theta. So to remember these four formulas, if you use this table, it is very useful to remember these four formulas. Okay, so how to useful means first you take like this table. So here you take capital X capital Y, here you take small x small y. So just you write this is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. First you have to remember how to take this table. Okay, after that you just go for this one. If you want to find out small x in terms of capital X comma y, small x row you follow. Okay, for small x this is the row, corresponding row. So cos theta minus sin theta. So we want in terms of capital X comma y. So multiply these two immediately. X cos theta minus y sin theta. And small y is equal to. So use this row and capital X capital Y. So x sin theta plus y cos theta. Similarly, if you want to find out capital X in terms of small x and y. So capital X, so take corresponding column. So these are columns, these are rows. Okay. So for x is equal to, if you want to write this x in terms of small x small y, so use these two. So x cos theta plus y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to similarly, so these two corresponding, so minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So this is minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So very useful to remember these formulas. This table is very useful. Okay, so now I am going to prove this one. So first you take the coordinate axis. Let us consider, let OX and OY be the original system of coordinate axis, and let OX dash and OY dash be the new axis obtained by rotating the original axis through an angle theta. This means if OX is rotated through an angle theta, then OX becomes to OX dash, and angle between OX and OX dash is theta, and OY becomes to OY dash, and angle between OY and OY dash also equal to theta. Okay, let P be any point P x comma y. That means P be any point in the plane whose coordinates are small x comma y and capital X comma y according to new, and that means according to original and new system. Okay, that means small x comma y refer to original axis, and that means old axis, and capital X comma y refers to new axis. Okay, now from P you drop a perpendicular, okay, perpendicular to OX. That means PM is perpendicular to OX, drop PM is perpendicular to OX, and PN is perpendicular to OX dash. Okay, and so Pn is, whenever Pn is perpendicular to OX dash, now from N you drop a perpendicular to OX. That is nothing but, now draw NL is perpendicular to OX, and NQ is perpendicular to PM. So this is our construction to prove this theorem. Okay, so now after this one, what can you say? This OM is nothing but P x comma y is here, so perpendicular this one. So OM is nothing but small x according to original system, and this Pm is nothing but small y according to original system. Now from the same point P capital X comma y according to new system. So if you this is the coordinate axis yx dash and oy dash. Now from P to yx dash, this is the Pn is perpendicular. Okay. Now whenever Pn is perpendicular to yx dash, now this Pn is nothing but capital Y, and this On is nothing but capital X. This On is nothing but capital X, and Pn is nothing but capital Y according to new system. Now, now I am going to proving x is equal to that formula. What is the formula? X is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. This is the formula. So now actually what is x here? X is nothing but Om. Okay, Om is nothing but, you have to use this one. Om is nothing but OL minus ML. Okay, OL minus ML. So this is nothing but OL minus ML is nothing but Qn. ML is nothing but both this forms a rectangle. That means ML and Q forms a rectangle. So ML is equal to Qn. Now this OL is nothing but, now you understand OL is, this is the OL, and you can take this is the one right angle triangle. OLN is a right angle triangle. So according to this right angle triangle, if you can write a cos theta and sin theta values. So cos theta is equal to, what is the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is ON. So cos theta is equal to, what is that? So in triangle ONL, so cos theta is equal to OL by ON. Similarly, sin theta is equal to opposite side NL by ON according to this triangle OLN. Okay, so cos theta is equal to OL by ON, sin theta is equal to NL by ON. Now, because of these two are the two intersecting lines, OX and OX dash are two intersecting lines, and this PM and PN are also two intersecting lines, but these two intersecting lines are perpendicular to these two intersecting lines. So and the angle between these two intersecting lines is theta. Then also the angle between these two lines MP and NP also theta. This is plane geometry, one of the proof. That means the angle between any two lines is equal to angle between their perpendiculars. That means if it is theta, this is also theta. Okay. Now come to the point. According to that one, if you use a triangle PQN, this is also one right angle triangle. This is the angle theta. For this angle theta, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. So we can use two trigonometric ratios, sin theta and cos theta. So sin theta is equal to Qn by Pn. So sin theta is equal to Qn by Pn, and cos theta is equal to, what is that? PQ by Pn. PQ by Pn. So we use these four formulas. Okay, sin theta, sin theta here according to two different triangles. First I am using here OL is equal to, how can I write this OL? OL is equal to, transpose this side, ON cos theta. This is nothing but ON cos theta. OL is nothing but, and QN is nothing but, from this triangle QN is nothing but, how can I write? PN sin theta. Now ON is equal to what here? Capital X. So capital X cos theta, and here Pn is equal to what here? Capital Y, that is x cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. So therefore x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. Similarly, y is equal to what here? Pm. Okay, y is equal to Pm. Pm, how can you write? PQ plus, so how can you write? PQ plus QM. PQ plus QM. So here PQ you can write as it is a PQ, and QM is nothing but NL. So I am converting this length to in this right angle triangle. So because it is rectangle, okay, so automatically QM is equal to NL. So now according to again triangle, this NL you can write as, so from this one here sin theta is equal to NL by ON. So automatically NL is equal to, you can write as ON sin theta. So NL you can write as yn sin theta. And PQ how can I write? So from this triangle, cos theta is equal to PQ by QN, and PQ is equal to, you can write as PN into cos theta. So this is nothing but PN cos theta plus ON sin theta. So what is the PN value? PN is equal to here Y, capital Y, and ON is equal to what here? Capital X. So this is nothing but you can write as Y cos theta plus X sin theta. So if you write in the order according to X is first term and Y is second term, small y is equal to X sin theta plus Y cos theta. So these are the proofs, that is nothing but here. So first condition, second condition proved. So now using these two I am going to prove this one. Okay, so now if you multiply just you take, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. If you multiply one with cos theta, then what you have? So 1 with cos theta, then it is nothing but x cos theta is equal to capital X cos square theta minus y sin theta cos theta. Okay, y sin theta cos theta, just you write like this, and multiply equation 2 with sin theta. So what you have? So y sin theta is equal to x sin square theta plus y cos theta sin theta. So add, so this is the second equation after changing, multiply with the sin theta. So this is the second equation. Okay, now add these two equations. So this is minus y sin theta plus y sin theta cos theta minus y sin theta cos theta, cancel. So this is nothing but x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to, here if you take x common from these two terms, because here plus only, so after x common, then you have cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta value? That is 1. So capital X is equal to what can you write? X cos theta plus y sin theta. Similarly, if you multiply 1 to sin theta, then what you have? X sin theta is equal to x cos theta sin theta minus y sin square theta. So this is that one. And multiply 2 to cos theta, then what you have? Y cos theta is equal to x sin theta cos theta plus y cos square theta. Now subtract. So x sin theta minus y cos theta is equal to, here this is plus, this is minus, cancel, and this is both are negative terms. So if you take minus y common, then we have sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So what you have? Total minus y only. So therefore this minus also transfer this side, then we have y is equal to this term becomes to negative, this term becomes to positive. So then we have right, this is minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So this is the proof of this theorem. So we have to remember this table. If you remember this table, we can do the all problems based on this one, rotation of axis. See one small observation here. If you take x square plus y square, small x square plus small y square. So x square, what can you write? Capital X, that means a minus b whole square, capital X square cos square theta plus capital Y square sin square theta minus 2xy sin theta cos theta, plus y square means what can you write? Small y square means, that means x square sin square theta plus y square cos square theta plus 2xy sin theta cos theta. So these two will becomes to cancel. Then here if you take x square common, so cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. So we have only x square. If you take y square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is also 1. So we get y square only. So totally we have x square plus y square is equal to capital X square plus y square. This is nothing but distance from, that is nothing but square of the distance from origin to this point p x comma y or capital X comma y or small x comma y. Distance from O to P is nothing but root over, this is O means 0 comma 0. So O to P is nothing but root over x square plus y square, that is OP. OP square is nothing but x square plus y square or capital X square plus capital Y square. So both are same here. So x square plus y square is equal to capital X square plus y square is equal to OP square. That means we can, observation here is nothing but the distance of the point P from origin O remains unaffected by the rotation of axis. So when rotation, if you rotate the axis, distance from any point to origin is same. Okay, next one. You take one example based on this one. When axes are rotated through an angle of 45 degrees in positive direction without changing the origin, then the coordinates of root 2 comma 4 in old system are, that means if you rotate the system about 45 degrees in positive direction, So already, what is the meaning of positive direction and negative direction? If they given positive direction, you have to take theta is equal to 45 only. If they given negative direction, you take theta is equal to minus 45 degrees. That is the important you remember. Okay. So here they given capital X comma y and theta is equal to 45 degrees they given. Now we have to find out world system coordinates. Okay, that means small x, first you write this table, capital X, capital Y, small y, cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, this is fixed. Okay. So now x is equal to what is that? X cos theta minus y sin theta. So and here theta is equal to 45 degrees and capital X comma y they given root 2 comma 4. Substitute here. So x means root 2 and cos theta is equal to cos 45 minus y means 4, sin theta means sin 45 degrees. This is equal to root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus 4 into 1 by root 2. So this is root 2 root 2 get cancel 1 minus. Here this 4 you can write as 2 into 2. So 4 into 1 by root 2, that means 2 into 2 by root 2. So this root 2 in this 2 to root 2 times going. So we have 2 root 2. So we have 1 minus 2 root 2. So if you stop to solve this problem and once you observe the options, so in how many options we have x coordinate is 1 minus root 2 root 2. So here only one option. So 1 minus 2 root 2, that is first option. So this is the answer. If you want to find out y coordinate also, we can continue, no problem. But in objective oriented, if you want to do this problem, just you stop and just check the options, you get this is the answer. Very clear. Otherwise, if you want to find out y coordinate also, so what is the formula? Y is equal to x cos theta, x sin theta plus y cos theta. Substitute here. X is equal to root 2, sin theta is sin 45, y is equal to 4, cos theta is cos 45. Sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degrees is nothing but 1 by root 2. So total this is nothing but root 2 get cancelled, 1 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so therefore x comma y is nothing but 1 minus 2 root 2 comma 1 plus 2 root 2. That is first option. Next, second question is the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square minus 8 is equal to 0 when the axes are rotated through an angle 5 by 6 is. Options they given, x square minus y square is equal to 0. These are the 4 options they given. So what is the question? The transformed equation of the given equation when the axes are rotated through an angle 5 by 6. That means he is asking to find out according to new system, he is asking the transformed equation of this one, and that means we have to find out in terms of capital X comma y. So that means so replace small x comma y by in terms of capital X comma y. That means we have to find out a small x comma y in terms of capital X comma y. So given angle is 5 by 6, theta is equal to 5 by 6. Don't expect here capital X comma y coordinates. Okay, we have to substitute in terms of capital X comma y only, then you get the one more equation in terms of capital X comma y. So small x is equal to what is that? X cos theta minus y sin theta. So here x cos theta means cos 5 by 6 minus y sin 5 by 6. Cos 5 by 6 means 5 by 6 means 30 degrees. Remember. Okay. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2, sin 30 means 1 by 2. So if you take 1 by 2 common, root 3x minus y. And small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. So that means x sin 5 by 6 plus y cos 5 by 6. That means sin 5 by 6 sin 30, 1 by 2, cos 5 by 6 cos 30, root 3 by 2. If you take 1 by 2 common outside, then you have x plus root 3y. Now substitute the small x value and small y in given equation. Now what you have? So in the place of x you substitute here. That means 1 by 2 into root 3x minus y whole square plus 2 root 3 into x means 1 by 2 into root 3x minus y means 1 by 2 into x plus root 3y minus y square means 1 by 2 into x plus root 3y whole square minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 8 is equal to 0. Expand here a minus b whole square. Here 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. So this is 2 root 3 by 2 into 2, 1, that is 2 root 3 by 4. Just you write like that. Okay, and expand this formula a minus b whole square. Then we have here 1 by 4 into root 3x whole square. That means root 3 means 3 only. So x square means x square only. So that is root 3x whole square means 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3xy plus here 2 root 3 into 1 into 1, 2 root 3 by 2 into 2, 4. So don't cancel. So 2 root 3 by 4 into, So this root 3x into x root 3x square plus root 3 into root 3 3xy minus xy minus root 3y square. Just I have written here minus root 3y square minus, it is 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 into x square plus 3y square plus 2 root 3 xy minus 8 is equal to 0. Right as it is. 2 root 3 xy minus 8 is equal to 0. Now expand this one. If you take 1 by 4 LCM and transpose this side, that becomes to 0. So if you take 4 LCM here, then write your numerators as it is until here, and here you multiply 4 to 8. Okay, then what you have, 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3 xy plus 2 into root 3 into root 3 3. 2 3s are 6x square minus here 3xy minus yx means only x 2xy. So 2xy into 2 root 3, that is 4 root 3 xy minus here 2 into root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 into root 3 means 3 only. 2 3s are 6 y square minus this minus multiplied every term inside. So minus x square minus 3y square minus 2 root 3 xy minus 4 8s are 32, because here there is no denominator for 8 as 4. So just multiply 4 to 8. That means 4 8s are 32 is equal to 0. So this means simplify. Here minus 2 root 3 xy. Here minus 2 root 3 xy minus 4 root 3 xy plus 4 root 3 xy get cancelled, and 3x square plus 6x square minus x square, that gives 8x square plus y square minus 6y square minus 3y square, that gives minus 8y square minus 32 is equal to 0. So if you 8 common here and transpose to right side, then we have x square minus y square minus 4 is equal to 0, or x square minus y square is equal to 4. Okay. Next problem is, if the transformed equation of a curve is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225, when the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, then the original equation of the curve is. Here asking to find out original equation. Then we have to find out the original equation. That means they given the equation in terms of capital X comma y. That is important. So we have to find a capital X comma y values. So for write same table you write, but you have to write capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Here theta is equal to 45 degrees. Substitute here. So x cos 45 plus y sin 45, that is x into 1 by root 2 plus 1 y into 1 by root 2, that is 1 by root 2 if you take common, x plus y, because cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. Similarly, y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So y is equal to minus x sin 45 plus y cos 45, that is equal to minus x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2. If you take 1 by root 2 common, then we have minus x plus y. Now to get the original equation, substitute this capital X comma capital Y values, these two values substitute in the given equation. So that means 17 into what you have, 1 by root 2 into x plus y whole square, that is x square minus the given minus 16xy. So 16 into 1 by root 2 into x plus y into 1 by root 2 into minus x plus y plus 17 into 1 by root 2 into minus x plus y whole square, that is the given 17y square. So 17 into 1 by root 2 into minus x plus y whole square is equal to 225. Here 1 by root 2 whole square means 2. Okay, here also 1 by root 2 whole square means 2, and we have same coefficient 17. So we get a 17 by 2. These from these two terms, if you take 17 by 2 common, then it becomes 2 x plus y whole square plus it is y minus x whole square minus root 2 into root 2 2. So you get minus 16 by 2 into x plus y into y minus x is equal to 225. So this is equal to 17 by 2 into, this is a, here y is a, x is b, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times of a square plus b square, that is 2 times of y square plus x square, minus 16 by 2 into a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is y square minus x square is equal to 225. Now this 2 taken as LCM and transpose this side, that gives 2 into 225, that is 450, and numerators write as it is, that is 17 2s are 34 y square plus same 34 x square minus 16 y square minus into minus plus 16 x square is equal to 450. So take x terms, 34x square minus 16x plus 16x square gives 50x square, and 34y square minus 16y square gives 18y square is equal to 450. So here if you take 2 common and transpose this side, 450 by 2, that gives 225. After taking 2 common, here 25x square, here 9y square. So 25x square plus 9y square is equal to 225. That is 25x square plus 9y square is equal to 225. That is first option here. So these are the questions based on the above concept.